Welcome, my dear learners. Today we will discuss on squares and square roots and basic things. Today we discuss. Now it is for class 8. First of all, you know square numbers. What is square numbers? A natural number m can be expressed in the form of n square. Then m is a square or perfect square number where n is a natural number. As you know that a number starting from 1, 2, 3 dot goes to infinite, it's a natural number. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever that. Come again the point. Perfect square number 4 is a perfect square number, 9 is a perfect square number, 16 is a perfect square number, 25, 36, etc. It is square. Square of a number is what? Then the product of the number with the number itself is the square of a number. If we have a is a number, then square of a is a multiply a equal to a square, and then a square we have written here, it is belongs to exponents chapter. In exponents chapter, you know a power n into b power n. No sir, a power n and b power n, sorry, a power m always combined, that means a n plus m. Therefore here we have written a into a, that means a 1 plus 1, then it's become a square. It is a property. Now let us try this from NCERT. Find the perfect square number between 30 and 40. Sometimes someone asks you. Then to find the perfect square number between 30 and 40, we will require the nearest square number, such that 25, 36, 49. You know, first of all we see square of 5, 6 and 7. Write the square of that. 5 square equal to 25, 6 square equal to 36, 7 square equal to 49. So therefore 36 is a perfect square number lying between 30 and 40. Why we have written this one? Because a natural number between 5 and 6 not exist. So that's why we can say 36 is a perfect square number lying between 30 and 40. Very easy. Second, here is the given in second number. Any perfect square number lies between 50 and 60. So we will go forward. Then we know very well by continuously we are practicing about a square number. then is very easily we can remember that 7 square equal to 49 and 8 square equal to 64. Then between 49 and 64, obviously 50 and 60 come, but no any number between them, no any perfect square number there lies between 50 and 60. So we can write here, therefore there is no perfect square number lying between 50 and 60. Again the write these numbers. Can we say whether the following numbers are perfect square? How do we know? Very easy, we have learned the properties. No, in below I have written. So this first number is ending with the 7, which is a unit place digit of the given number. So it is not a perfect square. Directly we can say that. Since 23,453, it's also containing unit place digit is 3. So it is not a perfect square. Since 7,928 ends with 8 unit place digit, so it is not a perfect square. 2,22,222 has unit place digit is 2, so it is not a perfect square. 1069, yes, here is the 9 containing by the 1069 has unit place digit 9, so it may or may not be a perfect square, because all the natural number are not perfect square. We can write here all natural number not are not numbers, all natural numbers are not perfect square. So we will see, and dear learners, it's required to memorize the square of some numbers, that is from 1 to 30 at least we will learn, and it should be learn it. So now let's see 9 containing by this 1069. So those having not a basic knowledge, then they say that it is a perfect square by that teacher have explained in the class, a number which end with digit and with digit what? Can anyone tell? Yes. And with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then it is a perfect square. But it is wrong. That's why I have written in the right hand side, all natural numbers are not perfect square. So we know that 32 square equal to 1024, 33 square equal to 1089. So you also know that 30 square equal to 900. So we can take preceding term. So we have taken 32. If 1069 is a square number, it must be a natural number between 32 and 33. Is right. But there is no natural number between 32 and 33. Therefore, 1069 is not a perfect square. It's clear. I hope that my dear learners are understanding the things. It is very technical and basic things. Since the last number we have 2061 has unit place digit 1. Unit place digit is 1 here. And it also we can say that by the property which given slightly in the properties of a square number, that a number containing 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, it must be a perfect square? No. Let's check it. How? So 2061 has unit place digit, so it may or may not be a perfect square. Dear learner, we know that 45 square equal to 2025. Very good. And 46 square 2160. Very good. That means 2061 lies between 2025 and 2116. If 2061 is a square number, it must be a natural number lies between 45 and 46. But you know that 45 and 46 having no natural number. So therefore 2061 is not a natural number. Sorry, not a perfect square. Now note in the note we can say that a number having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at its unit place is never a square number or perfect square. Okay. All natural numbers are not a perfect square. I have written above. A number containing odd number of 0, that is not a perfect square. By the above information, we can say that a number which containing at unit place digit 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, but converse is not true, is said to be a square number, and a number contain even number of 0 is also a square number. Is clear? It is the basic thing. It is required to build our knowledge regarding squares. Okay. Sometime in competition such type of question will ask. In academic level that type of question will ask. So I hope that my dear learners it is helpful to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.